Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Bucket Flow, and today we are going to see about EBS snapshots. Till now, we have covered the what is EBS volume, and how you can use, what is the use, and what are the purpose of that. So today we are going to learn about EBS snapshot. What is basically snapshot is nothing but you are taking a backup, kind of backup of your EBS volume at any point of time. You can take. So we have as of now you can create a volume at a particular region, then you can use. But what if you want to move your this EBS volume to another region? So for that, what you can do, you can detach it. It's not recommend, like it's not mandatory, but it's recommended to first detach, then create a snapshot, then copy that snapshot to that region, then use it. So we are going to see the practically all these things. Okay, let's get started. So this is my console, and here in Elastic EBS, under that snapshot, nothing is there as of now. Okay, so what we will do, we'll create a volume first, and then we'll move that snapshot volume to snapshot. So let's give a 2 GB, and USist 1A is fine, and then create volume. So as of now, I have created this volume in USist 1A. So I can use only this in this region only. Let me refresh. Oh yes. So now in this region only I can use, but I want to move this snapshot, like this volume, to another region. How I can do? Just select, go to action, and create snapshot. Now you need to fill something you want to give this and all. So just create snapshot. Now in snapshot section, there will be this volume. Okay, yeah, you can see snapshot ID and all. Now what you can do, just copy this one, action, delete, settings. Okay, so once the snapshot status is completed, you will get this option. Under that snapshot, you will get this option, create volume from snapshot. Now from snapshot, you are creating a volume. Okay, so once you click, you can increase the size as well. And here you can see here, now previously this volume was in 1A, we created a snapshot. Now we can move this snapshot and create the volume in USist 1B region, and you can give the other values and create volume. Now if you go to the volume section, we will have two volumes. Okay, and one is created from the snapshot, so which is USist 1B. Now you can see here. So that's how you can move your snapshot to another volume to another region and use it. And one more thing is that we have a recycle bin. Accidentally, if you delete this volume, okay, to prevent this one, it's a kind of recovery system. Once by mistake, if you delete, and it will move to recycle bin. Okay, for that you need to create some thing is like a retention rule. Yes, you need to create a retention rule, then it will you can see here EBS volume is there. If anything goes wrong, it will move to recycle bin. From there you can take a backup and all. If you want a demo of this one, do let me know. I will create a demo. No video, no issue in that. So that's all for today's. We learn a snapshot, how to create, and how to create a volume from snapshot and all. Do let me know if you face any issue, and if you have any queries, do let me know. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. You can watch other EBS volume, like how to create a volume, what is the use, and how to attach EBS volume to Linux. Okay, you can check out other videos, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.